Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agreement Self Research Company, and I'm here to teach you how to move columns in Excel. So it's so easy, so simple and easy, and now I will show you how to do it. So there are two ways basically. The first one is using some keys in your keyboard, and the second one is an old school approach that I will say how to do it. So as you can see here, I have some columns of data. I have colored them specifically so that you can understand the changes that is made during the work. So what I will do is that I select the whole cells that I want to move, the columns that I want to move. Then I go to these borders of the selection. So you can see this sign when this sign appears. So maybe we can call it a four-sided sign, maybe. So when this sign appears, click on it, then click and hold Shift button and move to wherever you want. So I want it to be placed here. You can see it says it will be placed in E to H place. So I take my finger up, and you can see that it will be moved to its new place. So that was the way that you're using your keyboard. And the second way is an old school way, which you can select your cells, then right click and go through cut if you want to move, and click on copy if you want to copy. So I want it to be moved, so I click on cut, then I go here. So that's the tip, that you should select the column that you want your selection be placed in the left side of that column. So this column will be on the right side of your selection. So I click on that, I right click, and then I go for insert cut cells. So you can see it's now moved actually to its first place, and actually it's now moved from the last place. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Agreement Self channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.